Well, here we are about to do another Traffik Lites install. Thought I'd give you a little before I got after it. Then I'll get you back to it. And I'll tell you how long it took me. And now there's our finished product. About 4.5 hours later, with a little bit of counseling from the department to get it just the way they wanted it. Total install time, maybe about 1.5 hours a square, because the diamond plate is a little bit older, so it was a little bit difficult to get our 1-inch Traffik Lites in between. But all in all, I think it turned out pretty well. Thanks for stopping by. This is Bill from Great Lakes Specialty Equipment telling you stay safe.